I've been grossly negligent. The bike's done 85,000 k and the coolant hasn't been changed yet. So let's get into it. First thing, this shroud has to be taken off. There's 2 screws at the back and there's a push pin either side there. My expert filming shows these up perfectly. They're about there somewhere. And there's 2 more Allen head screws at the front. The side panel's got to come off, and because I've got crash bars I'll have to take that off. The lower crash bar and the lower shroud. To remove the push pins, you just need to poke the little centre bit and it sort of clicks in. And that allows you to pull it out. And we have to do that for all 4 of them. To replace the push pins, you just push the centre back out so it hangs out, then poke it in the hole, push the centre back in and it clips into place. Once those 4 screws are removed, the shroud just slides out. There's also an Allen bolt up the top here that holds part of the side panel in place, so that's got to be removed. Now it's time for the crash bars. Before the side panel can be removed, there's 2 more push pins. One down here on the side and one up the top. After all that, the side panel can come out. And because I can never remember where the push plugs are, I'm taking it easy, starting from the bottom and working my way up. All that faffing about was just to get at the radiator cap. And it's a bit tight. To get to the drain plug, the right hand side exhaust shroud needs to come off, and there are 4 Allen bolts for that. My bike's a DCT, so I'm not sure whether the manual version has this cover, but the lower crash bar is in the way of getting it at those 2 Allen screws easily, so alright, have to take the lower crash bars off as well. At this stage you're probably thinking, wow, there's a lot of faffing about to do this job, but let's face it, my time's free, and what better things could I do than to work on the bike? I'm too old for wine and women, and I can't hold a tune in a bucket, so song's no good either. The DCT drain plug is shown in the right side picture. The left side picture is for the manual version. Note that the drain bolt looks exactly the same as all the other bolts that holds the cover on. If I'm reading the manual right, it's this screw just here, and it's the same sort of 10mm in bolt as all the others, so here goes. Hopefully this is actually the drain plug. Yep, this is it. It's starting to come out. And of course it piddles all over the place on the exhaust. And oh, as soon as I pull the plug out, it's everywhere. The manual says that the refill should take about 1.6 litres, so I'm expecting about that much to come out. Right, now that's all drained, time to have a bit of a clean up. And before I forget, I'm putting the drain plug back in. Click. To do a complete job, I'm going to drain the overflow bottle as well. The workshop manual says to take the back wheel out and the rear shock absorber out and remove the container. Well, I'm not going to do that. So I've just got this syringe with a bit of plastic hose on the end, and I'll suck it out. It'll only take a few times, I would think. There we go, all done. Time to refill. This calls for a 50-50 mix, but I'm not going to fill up the jug, it's easier to pour if I just half fill it, or part fill it. So in goes the concentrate and then the distilled water. Going to fill the overflow tank first. Before you ask, I just guessed the amount, and it happened to be reasonably correct. Bonus. I'm just filling this until it's full. But of course it's going to take more, but to do that we have to warm the engine up and let the coolant flow through past the thermostat. Then we can top it up again.
5 minutes later.
Alrighty then, coolant's all topped up. Job's finished for now. After my next ride I'll just check the overflow bottle to see whether the coolant level's okay in that as well. But otherwise, now it's just doing all the reverse, putting everything back together again. Bike's all back together, no spare parts left over, and the great feeling of a job well done without having to pay through the nose to get it completed.